everybody, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and you know what this teal, oh my goodness, packaging means. And some of you laugh, I reuse these to send out gifts with my fabulous weird duct tape, but I love this packaging, and this packaging means Archer's Arts, OMG. It's one of my favorite colors and one of my favorite companies all rolled up together. So Archer's Arts had a 40% off sale for the month of November to commemorate their anniversary and her birthday, and I went hog wild because I had to have it. So I bought, let me see, there's no sheet in here. Okay, so I love these minis. I'm super excited. I have the aqua one right here I'm using. And when I bought that, I was like, I've got to have it. So green is my favorite color. And I have a green grinder. So I thought, why not get a green mini? So I've got that. And then I got a white just to get a white. And I had to try this lid. So I got a lid to go on this, which I may end up getting more lids down the road. I wish I would have gotten more with her sale, but I just couldn't with finances. And then I got this purple because I really like purple. So I got a mini purple with a lid as well. And the lids go with all of them. But I just think this way, like I could, like if I were doing a whole bunch, I could stack the colors if I had the lids. So isn't this purple beautiful? So I got green, purple, and white. I wish they had a gray. Like something like this. I wish they had a gray. But anyway, so I got these and I got 2 of the lids. And then I had to get the color of the month. Beautiful. And it's this gorgeous copper color. Oh my gosh. And I have a red tray in this color. In this size. I also have a white tray. And here's my red tray. So I just love this color. Oh my gosh, I should have gotten a mini one in that too. But I have a red, a copper now, and my daughter is using my white one. So now I have 4 minis, and I have 3 of the big trays, and I'm in love. So please go check out on Facebook, Archer's Arts. They are amazing. They are high quality. This is their logo. I don't know if maybe you can see it better on this one. Awesome company. Love them to death. And they also have, these stackable. So they have the, I've got some hidden gems in there, or diamonds, but they have 5x5 stackables. They have these minis. They have this size. They have covers for the minis, covers for the big. They also have plugs. I bought some plugs that you can plug the hole in as well, but I'm actually really liking these lids better than the plugs. So yeah, so I'm really excited. I just wanted to show you what I got. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for experiencing these amazing creators with me, and I hope to see you in the next video. So until next time, take care, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.